Hello guys! Forgot your Apple ID password? Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change it right from your iPhone. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're there, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen, where you'll see your name along with Apple account, iCloud, and more. Next, tap on Sign In and Security. On this page, under the Security section, you'll see the option that says Change Password. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll need to verify that it's really you using Face ID, Touch ID, fingerprint, or simply by entering your iPhone passcode. Once you're verified, you'll be taken to the page where you can create a brand new password for your Apple ID. Now enter your new password, then type it again to confirm it. Make sure you choose a strong password that you'll be able to remember. Apple requires your password to be at least 8 characters long, and it must include at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter. After you've entered your new password, simply tap Continue, and your Apple ID password will be updated. That's all there is to it. The next time you sign in to your Apple account, just use your new password. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.